Hi, I'm Chris Voorhees, Executive Sous Chef here at Contemporary Catering, and I'm going to show you how to make Russian dressing. First thing you want to start off with, a little bit of sugar, about a teaspoon of water, some vegetable oil, ketchup, lemon juice, distilled white vinegar, salt and pepper, paprika, celery seed, a touch of ground onion, not a whole lot, just a little blop, there we go. And finally, some Worcestershire sauce. Little whip, whisk all these together. Make yourself a nice corned beef sandwich, a Reuben. This will go great on top. I'm Chris, and that's how you make Russian dressing.